Hello everyone and welcome back once again to my cooking channel. And today I am going to share a tempting and mouth-watering iftar recipe, that is chicken chapli kebab. So let's start making it. Half a kg of minced chicken, that is chicken keema, I have taken here. Let's add one medium-sized finely chopped onion, one medium-sized finely chopped tomatoes, removing the seeds, 2 green chilies finely chopped, and a handful of coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, some chili flakes, around half a spoon of chat masala, half a spoon of jeera powder, half a spoon of turmeric powder, and half a spoon of red chili powder, half a spoon of coriander powder, and salt as per the taste. Adding 1 teaspoon of butter, melted butter to it, and 2 tablespoons of roasted Bengal gram powder, that is roasted besan. Instead of besan, you can add even corn flour also if you don't have besan. Let's mix all the ingredients well with the help of hands. If you prefer little tanginess in it, you can even add half a lemon to it. But since I am adding the chat masala, I don't require any more tanginess to it. So let's marinate and keep it for around half an hour. After half an hour, it's ready to be fried now. It's a very easy and simple recipe which gets ready in very less time. Now let's give a shape of kebabs to it. You can give a round shape or even oval shape, whichever shape you want. I am giving the round shape over here. While frying, these kebabs may squeeze a little, so I am making the bigger kebabs now. Bigger in shape. This shape will be perfect. Likewise, we will prepare all the kebabs and they are ready to be fried now. The oil is in medium flame. Now let's place the kebabs one by one to the frying pan. We have to shallow fry these kebabs. We should not deep fry it, otherwise there is a risk of breaking. So always fry in low medium heat so that it should cook well from inside as well. You can see now they are ready to be turned, and now they are turning brownish, golden brownish in color. Very nice and very beautiful color is coming out. As you saw that how simple and easy it was to make these yummy chapli kebabs. Please try these kebabs for sure in iftar. Everyone will just go crazy. You can even make these kebabs in mutton and fish, but these chicken kebabs will be tastier than mutton kebabs. So now the color is coming out. Once they turn golden brown in color, you can remove them from oil. Likewise, let's fry all the kebabs. Now they are ready. As you can see how beautiful they are. Make an iftar and share your feedback with me. See you in my next video soon. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.